Good morning and welcome to this channel Productivity Pro. In this channel, we have been discussing various solutions for productivity improvement. We discussed about backplot function using Simco Edit. We discussed about Simco product called as MDM, and we had also uploaded many videos on Simco machine monitoring system, which is a starting point for Industry 4.0. Today, my purpose of this video is to let you know a low cost wireless data communication on a CNC shop floor. I know in the most of the new machines there is no requirement of DNC system because many latest CNC machines do have large memory, but still there are some older machine with limited memory, and it is very difficult to upgrade that memory, and sometimes even if it is possible to upgrade that memory, the cost is very high. So most of the CNC user prefer to have computer connected with a CNC machine. So majority of the CNC programs are stored on the desktop PC, and then whenever that part is to be manufactured, the program is taken from the computer to the machine and then they execute the program on the machine. So this is simple way of calling it as a DNC system. Now to connect that computer with the help of cable is one simple way, but in the shop floor lot of cabling might become a problem. I have seen some of the cases where during the night time rats are moving around and they like this data cable very much, and then next day morning when you come to the shop you find that DNC is not working because of the cable is broken. So naturally many CNC owners, they know that yes, we can go with wireless, and today most of the people are aware about Wi-Fi DNC. But friends, let me tell you, Wi-Fi DNC is a slightly costlier affair than what I'm going to tell you about a low cost system called as BT-100. Now this is a product BT-100 which is designed by Digitech, and this is having a Bluetooth technology. Now you may wonder that Bluetooth is basically for short range data communication. We have been using Bluetooth for communication with our mobile phone and smartwatch, or maybe for some Bluetooth speakers. But let me tell you, this simple product can communicate with a large distance. With the standard antenna, you can easily go up to 150 meters, 200 meters. But if the machines and the centralized computer, the distance is more than say 500 meters, 700 meters, then what is the solution? The solution is, for the same product, we can offer you this antenna. This antenna is called as patch antenna. Now with this antenna you can communicate with BT-100 up to about 500 to 700 meters long. So I have made a small PowerPoint presentation on this product called as BT-100. If it sounds interesting to you, please continue to watch this PowerPoint presentation on BT-100. And if you like this, you can communicate back to me asking for more details like cost, the software, the installation. By the way, I just wanted to tell you that this technology is basically a plug and play type of technology. You don't need any IP address setting, you don't need any IT expert for installation of this BT-100 on your machine. We just give you the hardware and the cable from 9 pin to 25 pin D type, and the software is also available. You can choose any software, and just with maybe with 10 to 15 minutes job, your machine will be wirelessly connected to a centralized computer. So please watch this BT-100 PowerPoint presentation. So friends, did you like this PowerPoint presentation? You may wonder that how this technology will be useful in your application. Let me tell you, we have installed this technology at various places, and not only for one or two machines, but let me tell you, a customer in Pune, KSB Pumps Pimpri, we have installed this technology on their 16 CNC machines. Yes, 16. And it is not today. They are using this for maybe 8 to 10 years back. So for last 8 to 10 years, there was hardly any problem. They did not call us for any kind of service call. So it is very, very reliable system, and it is not possible to hack this wireless network because the technology is in such a way that there is a concept called as frequency hopping. In the sense, the transmitter and a receiver, they talk to each other, but the frequency is changing very often, and that change of frequency is decided by the transmitter and receiver. So even though we call it as frequency band of 2.4 gigahertz, it is actually slightly different frequency, and this frequency is constantly changing. So it is called as frequency spectrum. That's why this Bluetooth is very reliable even on the shop floor. So if you want further information like what is the software, how to install and all those things, you can communicate back to us on our email ID digitechpune@gmail.com, digitechpune@gmail.com. Let me tell you, this product is very simple to install. You don't need any IT expert. You don't need any IP setting. It is just plug and play. You have to just make the pairing, and when you go for this product from Digitech, we also provide you the cable, 25-pin D-type cable required for CNC machine, and it is independent of software. In case you already have some DNC software, this will work seamlessly. If you don't have the software, we can also provide the software. So if you want any support on this technology, please send me the WhatsApp message on 7972889960. So till the next video, have a nice day and thank you for watching.